Hey everyone, today in this quick video, I'm going to show you two amazing Excel features you probably aren't using enough. The first one is the focus cell feature and the second is the stocks data type. These two features will boost your productivity and data analysis game in no time. So let's dive right in. Now imagine you are working with a large data set in Excel like this one, as I'm having a dummy employee data set here on my screen. Now this data set is with hundreds of employee records, right? Now when scrolling through the data, it's easy to lose track of which cell you are currently working on, like this. For example, I'm on Robert's sales data, right? And now I want to go to someone else's employees data, right? So I've lost track of my earlier employee. So now you can see how it is difficult to spot the active cell, especially when it is surrounded by dense data, right? Notice how the active cell blends in with the rest of the data. It's very hard to stay focused when analyzing specific rows or columns. Now that's where Excel 365's focus cell feature comes in. It helps you clearly identify the cell that you are working on, even on large data sets. So how will we activate this feature? We will go to the View tab. This is our View tab, right? And here in the View tab, we can see the focus cell feature, right? We will click on this and boom, the focus cell feature is activated, right? Now you can see this focus cell feature, and we can also change the color of the focus cell. Here we go. Let's choose the red color, right? Okay. So now as you can see, the focus cell feature is enabled. And now you can clearly see the difference. Now you can click on any cell. Let's say, for example, we are on Joseph's salary data. That is 48,883. Now as we scroll up, down, left and right, the focus cell remains distinctly highlighted, making it easy to identify at all times, right? See? So whether you are scrolling or navigating through large datasets, you'll never lose track of your active cell again. So this is focus cell feature. It is a simple but powerful tool to improve data visibility and reduce errors when working with large datasets. Try it out in your next spreadsheet. Now let's come to the second feature. The second feature is the stocks data type. So here is our data. Let's turn off the focus cell feature. And here are some company names. Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Alphabet, Tesla, Meta, Netflix, Nvidia. Here are the company names and here are their ticker symbols, right? So what we'll do is we'll go to the data tab and we'll click on stocks, right? So here is the stocks data type and we'll click on the stocks data type. When we click on the stocks data type, you can see the small icon that appears beside the company name. Now when you click on this, a small window will pop up and boom, now we can see the whole data related to the Apple company. We can see the current price, right? We can see the market cap. We can see the ticker symbol here, right? We can see the exchange abbreviation, right? And we can see here we have got the description of the company, like Apple designs, manufactures and markets smartphones, personal computers, tablets, right? So here we got the description. Here we have the number of employees working in Apple. We have got the headquarters. So all the data is fetched dynamically from the internet. So this is the beauty of this feature. So if you deal with financial data or track stock performances, this feature will be the game changer feature for you, right? So that's it, guys. These are the two powerful Excel features: the stock data type to track real-time financial data, and the focus cell feature to keep your key data points in sight. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment if you tried these features, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Excel tips. See you in the next one.